Turning now to Storm Montreal meteorologist Caitlin Harvey. It should be the warmest day of the year. We just have to get through this cool morning.
That's right. Pretty chilly to get you started and out the door on this Thursday. You'll definitely need to grab those heavier jackets or even coats for some of us. But by this afternoon, we're going to really heat up today into the 60s and even the 70s. Right now, stepping out the door, we're still seeing a few areas with patchy fog for the coast and even some lowering clouds, very light fog in for Cave Junction and Grants Pass. We're starting off clear with a little bit of haze into the Rogue Valley and near Medford. Clear skies and chilly for the Klamath Basin and Northern California, both of which are now into the 20s. Now here within the last few minutes, we've seen a few changes to your air quality. We're already seeing that haze out on the horizon, expecting more controlled burns today. And for McDowell, as we head into eastern Siskiyou County, we're now in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category. Still in the moderate category for Lakeview, Ashland, Medford, and Cave Junction. But especially if you're near McDowell or on south, as the winds are very light out of the north today, you might need to grab that N95 or P100 mask this morning, especially for those extra sensitive to pollutants in the air. Otherwise today, expect a little bit of haze, more sunshine and temperatures into the 40s by about 10 a.m., mid-50s by the lunch hour, and across the region a little bit warmer for your Thursday. We're into the upper 50s and 60s today for the southern Oregon coast. Seeing winds, though, out of the northeast gusting up to 25 miles per hour. That's what's going to help warm Brookings up into the 60s. That Chatco effect is back. And Northern California, 60s to lower 70s today with plenty of sun. Feeling chilly this morning in the 20s for Wairika, but nice this afternoon, 68 degrees. After a frosty start in the teens and 20s for the Klamath Basin, expect temperatures today to hit the lower 60s with more sunshine and light winds. 40s, 50s, and 60s today for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. Light winds expected today, perfect for hikes. And the Rogue Valley, upper 60s, lower 70s for your Thursday. Medford up to 70, along with Cave Junction. Expecting light winds to stick with us today before a few changes roll in for your Friday and Saturday. Now heading up to Mount Shasta Ski Park, top of Douglas Bay, still about 41 inches of snow. We're tracking mild conditions today and even tomorrow, though will be breezy Friday, Saturday, much cooler with that chance for rain and snow. And here's the system that'll bring that. By Friday night, we'll see gusty winds ahead of this cold front, still staying dry across much of southern Oregon and northern California. Overnight Friday into your Saturday morning, seeing that chance for some snow showers into the central Oregon Cascades, even out along the coast. Snow levels will drop to about 3,000 feet, but these still look very light and very hit and miss. By your Saturday night and even into early Sunday, much of this moisture is moving out. So even though we do see that chance, especially along and west of the Cascades, to see rain and snow, those totals look very light, and now even Sunday looking drier. So a few changes on your 7-day forecast. Still seeing that chance of showers likely for the coast on Saturday, but now Sunday looking dry across the region. Overall rain totals Saturday and even into Sunday morning are still looking light. Could be less than 1/10 of an inch for areas inland to the coast, picking up potentially 1/4 of an inch on the high end for northern Curry County. As snow levels do drop to about 3,000 feet, the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous could pick up 1, maybe 2 inches of snowfall. I don't think travel will be too impacted, even if we do see a few flakes fly over the Siskiyou summit. Not expecting much as far as accumulation. And the Rogue Valley, that chance of showers Saturday with cooler temperatures in the 40s. So soaking up the sunshine today with highs into the 60s and 70s.